Hi guys, I'm Jasmine, and this is my house. This is my dad, Andre, but you could call him Andy. My dad and I have been living in this house for 23 years. I've always been too embarrassed to film in my house, but the time is here. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to another cleaning video. We are cleaning the washrooms today. Woo. Hopefully it's not gonna take 12 hours like the kitchen video. Oh my god, if you haven't seen the kitchen video, go watch it after this one. So we're gonna be cleaning both washrooms, the upstairs one with the bathtub and everything, and then just like the regular washroom down on the main floor. So I have a lot of stuff in the cabinets too, so we're also gonna go through the cabinets. I'm gonna wash the ceilings, the walls, the bathtub, the sink, the ground. We're just deep cleaning basically again. So we're gonna do the kitchen. Oh my god. We're gonna do the bathroom upstairs first, like up, the full bathroom first. Then we're gonna do the smaller bathroom. It is 10 o'clock. It's about to be 10 o'clock. Let's get to it. Let's get this over with. I'm trying to do it as fast as possible, so let's see what we could do. My plan kind of backfired because I wanted to wait till my dad was awake, so I won't wake him up because the bathroom is literally right beside his room. And he hasn't been sleeping much since the landlord came over yesterday. But now since that's over with, he's sleeping in and I really don't want to wake him up. But if you guys watched my last cleaning video, and if I didn't show you guys this, I got it off pharmacy and it literally takes anything out. Like I got the worst stains out and it smells so good. Literally this much. And you have a huge bottle. It was like $7. So I pour this in here. And then I basically just fill it up to the top of water. We're ready to go. Do you see that? I'm ready to continue. these off. You see it? Because someone misses the toilet. I will literally clean the whole entire washroom and then he'll go shit everywhere. It's awesome. He needs some Depends. It's now 12:23. I forget what time I started it. But I hope this one doesn't take too long.
Voices in my head, I'm tripping, I'm trying not to listen. I'm distant, I'm trying not to lose my mind, but it's working me overtime. And I think that it's about time that I read the signs. You're other dimensional, no, nothing conventional about you. I've never met nobody like you. I should try and be sensible, but my back's against the wall. I should have some self-control, but I never met nobody like you. I should have some self-control, I should have some self-control, I should have some self-control, but I never met nobody like you. I should have some self-control, I should have some self-control, I should have some self-control, but I never met nobody like you.
I should have some self-control, but I never met nobody like you. Nobody like you, never met nobody like you. I should have some self-control, but I never met nobody like you. I should have some self-control, I should have some self-control.
If you think you know just what I need, that's where you're wrong. It's where you're wrong. I've got everything that I could need.
Alright, so that's pretty much the cleaning of the video. To end this video, I'm gonna jump in the shower, scrub my whole entire body because I feel disgusting, and then I'm gonna make something to eat, and then start editing. If you do like this cleaning video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure to subscribe because this is my year, baby. Love you guys. Bye.
Self-control, but I never met